Okay, as the last lecture today for HS 7303 fake and also alpha in halal industry. So we have 18 students. This is for master program, either by coursework only or by coursework and dissertations. So as the last kuliah today, I would like to call your name, and then I would like to ask you to respond by saying that maybe present, okay, or something like that, because I will recognize your voice, inshallah, forever. Maybe I will not recognize your face because your face keep changing because our age also keep increasing and maybe not really recognize unless you maintain your physical look, but not so easy, right? Okay, the first one is Siti Nurul Haizah Hazira binti Muhammad Helmi. Thank you. Muhammad Asrarul Arifin bin Haji Nur Aidi. Louder please, I would like to record. Alia Batrisha binti Haji Muhammad Alias. Thank you. Siti Nur Amirah Syahira binti Haji Aziz. Thank you. Ayu Nadira binti Azilani. Thank you. Nur Najla Nakibah Abdul Issamadi, ke toilet. Siti Khadijah binti Serfuddin. Thank you. Siti Nurhani binti Haji Jabidin. Thank you. Nurul Khairah binti Muhammad Kamal. Muhammad Azfar bin Sulaiman. Thank you. Siti Nur Azimah Zaini. Thank you very much. Dayangku Anis Hannani binti Pangeran Haji Adanan. Thank you. Siti Nur Rafiza at Siti Nur Ain binti Muhammad Rapi. Thank you. Nur Zahida binti Adi Masul. Thank you. Siti Fakhria binti Fazli. But you have to sign that because you still have a blank here, one more column after this. Nur Nida binti Muhammad Amin. Louder please. Here. Thank you. Abdul Haq Ashakir Haji Abdul Rahman. Abdul Akil Syahid bin Haji Muhammad. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.